Plastic. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Today we're gonna be doing a review and unboxing of the Impressions Vanity for Hello Kitty Touch Pro. I got this on sale. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a review of it. I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. I did my makeup in this video, that's why I look so good. And yeah, other links are down below. Go ahead and watch another video after watching this one if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button, comment, like, all stuff. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Unboxing this. It comes in this beautiful package with all these little Hello Kitties, and this box is so cute. I'm definitely gonna save it, as you can see. So yeah, there's a sticker right here. I'm gonna go get scissors. One moment, please. Okie dokie. So here we go. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, sure you can see it. Ooh. See? Our Hello Kitties. Impressions Vanity. Hi, Impressions Vanity. Please sponsor me. Okay, yeah. Because I love your products. Oh my god. It looks like we got a cleaning cloth for it that says Impressions Vanity and Hello Kitty. And the instructions to start this super cool piece of technology. This is huge! Hold on. This is huge! Look at this. But yeah, there it is in the box. It's so big. Wowza. And there's that. Oh my god. Look at that color. Do you see this? It is this. So if you're wondering, and I wondered about this too, it's this very elegant, like pinky iridescent shade. Super girly. Plastic. It's so shiny. And then let's go ahead and look at the other accessories. We have its back. We gotta put its back in there. Oh, let's not break it right when we get it. Got another thingy. We got the stand, which is massive. And we'll plug it in. We got our little charging our charging cord. Yeah. Let's put her together. There's the base. Here's this. So I'm literally laying this down. Yeah, let's go ahead and turn her on. Bop. So I also have my, this light on. This mirror does seem to show everything, every pore and everything. This mirror has like these super bright lights. You can dim them like so, however which way you want. Has this cute little Hello Kitty on the mirror, which I love, right here in the corner. I've been wanting this mirror forever, and you guys like when I review weird tech, kitschy tech, so yeah, I thought I'd do it. So now we're going to turn off my ring light here. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. And here it is. We're gonna just do my contour with just this, because not everybody has a ring light at home that they're doing makeup in front of, so I mean that's totally fair. Snatch to the gods. Yeah. Yep, you can see all of the patchiness that I have ignored for so long. I'm just imagining, like, I've been walking around like this and posting pictures with the patchiest details you usually wouldn't see. So is this mirror worth it right now? Yes, because I'm seeing a lot of details that I forgot to blend. So yeah, it's a good one so far. It's like a frame. I'm like a picture. I'm like talking to you. I'm like the ghost of like Christmas past or whatever. My motto is, when it comes to eyeshadow, if you don't look like your mother in the 80s, you're doing it wrong. I feel like I look good. I can see every imperfection, every little problem with my lip, which is annoying. So if you're insecure about those things, fair warning. It's a good mirror. It will let you know. But it's a very kawaii mirror. It's got Hello Kitty. I think this is the best my makeup has ever looked. And I'm bad at makeup according to some of you. So you're probably right. Still getting better though. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Am I bad at makeup? Okay. Oh, hello. Hello, it girl.
Bluetooth mode.
Yep. Okay. We got some copyright-free music here. Let's connect. Oh, I can turn on the light. Well, Bluetooth. Oh, yeah. Okay. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. It is called Touch Pro. Click. So let's play the music that's copyright-free from YouTube. Now I'm going to call myself and see how that sounds. I got my parents' ancient landline. trying to wake my parents up with their ancient landline at 10 p.m. Calling myself. We have both phones. Oh. So when you're getting a call and you're connected to the Bluetooth speaker, you will hear the phone, obviously, but then it does say the phone number that is calling you. So, yeah, and I didn't want to share my phone number on the internet, so... Oh, ring-a-ding-ding. Hello. Answer. Hello?
Hello?
Oh!
Oh!
I'm on the phone.
I'm on the phone
with myself.
With myself.
Through the speaker.
Through the speaker.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
I'll stop wasting.
I'll stop wasting.
Landline juice.
Landline juice.
Bye!
Bye!
Hey, you right there. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and check out any of my other links down below. And love you guys. Bye! Hooded eyes. Yeah.